Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application like this one right here. Click on these four dots right here and then select settings. And here we're going to choose import export and then import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. You can select each individually or check the box right here to select all of them. Maybe deselect some that you don't want. And from there, click on the other button, import. And here you can see we can import our contacts to our HUAWEI ID, which is a Google account anyway. And this is actually a scrollable list right here. So I want to point that out because, HUAWEI is trying to be very scummy right here, giving you only this one option. Well, this is a scrollable list. So your other options won't actually be visible here, even if you have other options, unlike me. Because, HUAWEI wants your data. Not creepy at all, but in any case, select where you want to import your contacts to, and you're basically done. Your contacts have now been imported, and you should see them in your list right here. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.